Hi, hello, my dear competitive aspirants. Welcome to VHL Academy. In this video, we are going to learn type of beams, that is in the part of shear force and bending moment. How many number of beams is there in the design of beams? In the design of beams, cantilever beam, simply supported beam, overhanging beam, fixed beam, continuous beam, like that. Different types of beam is there, right? In this different types of beams, what is the reactions, how many number of reactions is develops, and what is the beams, what is the simply supported beam, what is cantilever, and what is the fixed, what is the continuous beam, we will discuss now. This is a very important in the discussion of shear force and bending moment. The type of the beam is very important. Alright, so our discussion is about type of beams. Type of beams. Yes, number one type of beam is cantilever beam. Cantilever beam. Yes, number one type of beam is cantilever beam. What is the meaning of a cantilever beam? Yes, in this cantilever beam, one side is fixed, one end is fixed, and one more is completely free. This type of beam is called as cantilever beam. One side is fixed, right? So one side is fixed and one more side is free. This is called as the cantilever beam. All right, cantilever beam. I draw here cantilever beam. Yes, this is the cantilever beam. One side is fixed, one more side is free. This is called as the cantilever beam. In this cantilever beam, so this is the A, this is at A end, and this is at B end. Right. At B end, it is free, but at A, it is fixed, right? So one side is fixed, one more side is free. This is called as the cantilever beam. In this cantilever beam, the number of reactions is develops, that is one is vertical reaction, this is vertical reaction, one more is horizontal reaction, and one more is moment. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, and moment. Three number of reactions is develops in cantilever beam. So in the cantilever beam, three number of reactions are develops. Three number of reactions is develops. One is vertical reaction, one more is horizontal reaction, and one more is moment. Three number of reactions is develops in cantilever beam. And the second one is a simply supported beam. Simply supported beam. Right, so next one is the simply supported beam. Yes, so this is one support, this is one support, this is another support. On the two support, if a beam is rest freely on the two supports, this is called as the simply supported beam. On the two supports, if a beam is freely rest on the two supports, this is called as the simply supported beam. Right, so in the simply supported beam, so see, this is the simply supported beam. One side is pin or hinge support, one more side is roller support. Right, so this is at a support A, this is at a support B. Right, so one side is a pin or hinge support is there, one more side is roller support is there. Right. How we provide the roller support one side? Due to the temperature changes, the variation in the temperature, and due to the application of load, expansion contraction is occurs, right? Expansion and contraction is occurs. In this simply supported beam, so this is the two supports and this is the beam. On the two supports, if simply beam is rest on the two supports, this is called as simply supported beam. In this simply supported beam, so this is the pin or hinge support, right? One is the vertical reaction, one is the horizontal reaction. And this side only one reaction is developed, that is vertical reaction. That is for the simply supported beam. In simply supported beam, three number of reactions are developed. Three number of reactions are developed. Three number of reactions are developed. In the simply supported beam, three number of reaction. This side is pin or hinge support, one more side is roller support. In this pin or hinge support, vertical reaction and one is horizontal reaction. Two reaction is developed this side and only one reaction is developed this side only, that is vertical reaction. Alright, so in the simply supported beam, three number of reaction is developed. In the cantilever beam also, three number of reaction is develops. And next beam is, next one is yes, so next one is continuous beam. Yes, next one is a continuous beam. Yes, before going to discuss the continuous beam, the third one is a fixed beam. Fixed beam. Yes, fixed beam. Alright, so fixed beam, there is no chance of free to rotate, or there is no chance of rolling. That is called as fixed beam. Right, so this is completely fixed. Right, so this is completely fixed. Right, fixed beam. Yes, so this is the beam. This side is fixed and this side also fixed. This is called as fixed beam. This is A end and this is B end. Right, so this is the fixed beam. Right, so in this fixed beam, how many number of reactions are developed? Right, if you see, this is the vertical reaction. Alright, and this is a horizontal reaction, and this is fixed support, means there is a chance of movement is develops. One is a vertical reaction is develops, one more is horizontal reaction is develops, and one more is a movement is developed. That is three number of reaction one side, and this side vertical reaction and horizontal reaction, and one more is movement. That means this side is three number of reaction, this side is three number of reactions. Alright, so in a fixed beam, three number of reactions are develops. Three number of reactions. Three number of reactions are develops. Three number of reactions are developed. In the fixed beam, this side is fixed, this side also fixed. This side three number of reactions, this side three number of reactions. One is vertical reaction, one is horizontal, one is movement. This side also one is vertical reaction, one is horizontal reaction, one more is movement. Totally six number of reactions are developed in fixed beam. Right, next type of beam is continuous beam. Next type of beam is continuous beam. Alright, fourth one is continuous beam. Yes, next one is continuous beam. Alright, so continuous beam means, what is meant by continuous beam? More than two supports are provided. More than two supports are provided. That is called as continuous beam. Continuous beam. This is one support, another support, like that. So three number of more than two number of supports is provided. That is either 3, either 4, either 5, either 6. These are the continuous beam. Alright, so this is the continuous beam. Alright, this is one support. This is one more support. And this is one more support. And this is one more support. Right, so here one support, another support, another support, and another support. This is support A, this is support B, this is support C, and this is support D. More than two support is called as the continuous beam. In the continuous beam, the number of reactions is different based on the support number of supports. So here this is the pin or hinge support. One is vertical reaction develops, one is horizontal reaction is develops. And here roller support only one vertical reaction is develops, and here roller support only one vertical reaction is develops, and here only vertical reaction is develops because it is also a roller support. Alright, so here we provide roller support. Here we provide the roller support, and here we provide the pin or hinge support. To avoid the rolling problem of this entire beam, here we provide pin or hinge support. That's why this side two number of reaction, and this is one reaction and one more reaction. So total number of reactions is, the number of reactions are 5 number of reactions. Alright, so here 2 and these are the 3. Totally 5 number of reactions develops in this beams. If it is a only 3 supports continuous beam, so the number of reactions developed is 4, because here 1 and here 2. 4 number of reactions. Clear? Next type of beam is propped cantilever beam. Next type of beam is propped cantilever beam. Yes, next type of beam is propped cantilever beam. Propped cantilever beam. Yes, what is the propped cantilever beam? One side provide pin or hinge support, another side provide fixed support. This is called as propped cantilever beam. Right, so this side pin or hinge support is provided, one more side pin or hinge support is provided. This is called as the propped cantilever beam. So this type of beam is called propped cantilever beam. One side is a pin or hinge support is provided, right, and one side pin or hinge support is provided, one more side roller support is provided. This is called as propped cantilever beam. One side is fixed, one more side is roller support, not pin or hinge. Yes, this side vertical reaction, and one more is horizontal reaction, and one more is moment. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, and a moment is developed. That means 3 number of reaction this side, and this side only one vertical reaction is develops. That's why in the propped cantilever beam, the number of reactions develops in the propped cantilever beam is 4 number of reactions. Number of right, so 4 number of reactions are develops. 4 number of reactions develops in propped cantilever beam. Yes, 4 number of reactions develops in propped cantilever beam. Alright, so cantilever beam, simply supported beam, and a fixed beam, propped cantilever beam, and continuous beam. These are the different types of beams and support reaction in the particular beams. If you consider the cantilever beam, one side fixed is there, one side free is there, right? This is called a cantilever beam. Where this cantilever beam is used, the cantilever beam is used at portico or veranda. Portico and veranda beam is called as cantilever beam. Portico beam or veranda beam is called as cantilever beam. What is the simply supported beam? So on the two supports, and the beam is simply rest on two supports, is called simply supported beam. Where it is used in the bridges, the simply supported beam is used. Where the fixed beam is used, so in the buildings, fixed and continuous beams is used in the buildings, right? So these are different types of beams.